Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn what is able, unable to. What is able, unable to? Able, unable, these are adjectives. Able is positive, unable is negative. Unable means not able to. Able and unable. Here, able to is used to denote or mean can or could. Means what? Can or could show the capacity of doing something, your ability to do something. In the same way, able shows your ability or your capacity to do something. Unable means your inability. You cannot do something. If can is present in the given sentence, now what happens? Sometimes a sentence is given to you and you are instructed to use able, unable to in that sentence or use can, could in that sentence. What to do in such a sentence? Now see example, here a sentence is given to you of can. Can is modal auxiliary. Can or could are modal auxiliaries. So while using able, unable to, we remove modal auxiliary and we use helping verb plus the adjective able or unable to. When to use able or unable to? He can pass the exam. Use able to. See students, here this sentence is positive. He can pass the exam means he is having the capacity to pass the exam. He is able to pass the exam. The same sentence you have to write here. So if they instruct you to use able to here, what will be the structure? He is able to pass the exam. Here we have used is and able plus to instead of this can. Why we have used is? Can is there and can is in present tense. If could is present in the sentence, if could is present in the sentence, we will use was or were plus able to. They could help poor. Use able to. See here, they are able to help poor. Poor in general. In this sentence, we have used were. We have used were because they is a plural pronoun. It represents more than one people. They were able to help poor. This is why were we have used and could is there. So we are not using are here, we are using were. This represents the past tense. Now cannot, could not. If cannot, could not is present, you have to use is, am, are or was, were plus not able to or unable to. Not able to and unable to are same. Cannot or could not. Cannot means the present tense plus not. If cannot comes, you will use is, am, are plus not able to or unable to. If could not is present, you have to remove it and you have to use was, were plus not able to or unable to. Examples we will see. First example, we can defeat corona. We are able to defeat corona. Hector could fight bravely. Hector was able to fight greatly is there. Third example, we cannot live without oxygen. This sentence is negative, so and the sentence is in present tense, this is why we, and for we are using are. We are Not able to you can write, or unable to you can write. Both are correct. Unable to live without oxygen. Fourth sentence, Ananya could cook perfectly. Ananya was able to cook perfectly. Fifth example, I cannot go to home. Here I is the subject, so for I we use am. I am. You can use unable to or not able to. Here we will use not able to. Not able to go to home. I am not able to go to home. This is how we have seen how to use able and able to in the sentences of can or could. Sometimes able and able to sentence will come to you and you will be instructed to use can instead of it. So understanding the sentence, you have to do that. Process will be same. No change of tenses, no other change. Keep watching the videos. Take care. Thank you so much.